Yeah, that looks good. Yeah. So now we get the handle out finally. That was a chore. Yeah. Time to paint strip. Pasted that one. So I decided to take out the stuck bolts. Maybe put them back in after cleaning everything up. So let's see if we can put some slot in. Yeah, it's not moving. That is not moving. Yeah, so guess we need to drill them out. But for now I'm gonna cut them flat. Let's paint strip the column here. Maybe we also gonna paint strip the top. Gonna use my Modern Power sugar. That smells good. Okay. Should be quite simple. I mean, it's a simple surface, so yeah. Not much to it. With vises it's usually, you have many curves and nooks and crannies. This one here is quite simple. So yeah, there's some stuff in there I'm kind of allergic against. The same stuff is in ripe bananas, so same cough I'm getting when I'm eating ripe bananas. Some kind of solvent in there. Forgot what it was. So yeah. Should do this side. Alright. I should have done the inside first, I guess. Yeah. Not much on the inside. I don't know if that is original unpainted. So don't know if that is Japanning or it's just pure iron. Let's put on a thin coat and see what happens. Maybe there's something there. So we could put it up. Okay. Also got a new roller thing here. It's just designed. Okay, so we're gonna start here. Carefully wrap this up here. Alright. Oh yeah, that's very nice. Yeah. That's good. Very good. Oh yeah. Nice. Paint is coming right off. That's nice. Oh yeah. Huh. Look at that. Can you see that? Huh? Oh yeah. Nice. Yeah, the black stuff is depending. It's black. Oh yeah, that is. That's probably the original stuff. Oh, that's nice. Not so good. That's the damn good. Finished the paint removal, didn't get everything off on the table and on the back of the base. Probably would have had to wait a little bit longer, but the column cleaned up really well. I also removed the Japanning, it was the black stuff that was on there. Yeah, it came off on the inside, especially there was just the black stuff. In a week I can wire wheel the base and the table, so we might be able to paint these next week. Yeah, so that's it for today. We also need to get the wheels loose. It's the next thing, so yeah. But we finished what we wanted to do today, which was getting most of the paint off. And I'm happy about that. And we also need to get this apart. So maybe tomorrow I'm gonna do that. So yeah, we'll see.